Welcome, friends. Today, we are traveling to the mysterious and vibrant land of India to prepare one of the most popular dishes in Indian cuisine, chicken tikka masala. This dish has captured the hearts of food lovers around the world with its rich flavor and aromatic spices. And you'll be surprised at how easy it is to make this culinary masterpiece at home. Let's create some real magic in your kitchen together. The first thing we need is fresh and aromatic ingredients. For this dish, we'll be using chicken, yogurt, tomato puree, onion, garlic, and ginger. But the true star of this recipe is the spices: coriander, cumin, turmeric, garam masala, and red chili powder. These will give our dish that unique aroma and deep flavor that we love so much in Indian cuisine. The first step on our way to perfection is marinating the chicken. We mix natural yogurt with garlic, ginger, and spices, garam masala, turmeric, coriander, and cumin. Add the chicken pieces and mix thoroughly, ensuring that each piece is coated with this aromatic blend. Marinate for at least an hour, but it's best to leave it overnight to allow the chicken to absorb all the flavors. While the chicken marinates, we'll prepare the sauce that will form the base of our dish. In a heated pan, sauté the onions until golden, then add garlic and ginger, along with our spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, and red chili powder. Once the spices release their aroma, add the tomato puree and a bit of water. Cook on low heat until the sauce thickens and becomes smooth. This is the moment when your kitchen starts filling with an incredible aroma that draws everyone closer. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a pan and sear the marinated chicken pieces until they develop a golden crust. It's important that the chicken is cooked on the outside while staying juicy inside. Next, add the seared chicken to our sauce and simmer everything together on low heat. Add a bit of cream or coconut milk to make the sauce more creamy and smooth. And that's it. Our chicken tikka masala is ready. You can serve it with fragrant basmati rice or soft Indian naan bread. Plate it up, garnish with fresh herbs, and perhaps add a squeeze of lemon juice for freshness. This dish will impress everyone with its richness and complexity of flavors. This delicious and aromatic chicken tikka masala can easily become a part of your culinary repertoire. As you can see, it's not difficult to prepare, and the result exceeds all expectations. Try making it at home and enjoy the taste of India with your loved ones. Thank you for being with us. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time, and enjoy your meal.